Just to sort of talk through the process that we go through in producing the finished product. The fruit comes in from the fields in our crates that we issue out to our growers. First thing that happens is it gets weighed. We weigh the fruit, we set it aside based on the grower and the varieties. And then a third-party inspection comes and inspects the product. That determines what we call the dockage. If there's leaves or if there's cat face or if there's other defects. And from the time after it gets graded, it goes into our coolers where we take the field heat out, brings the temperature down below 40 degrees, and waits for production. It comes out of the coolers, goes onto the line. First thing that happens is it gets introduced into a washer. After the washing section, it goes up to a sorting belt where we have manual and mechanical sorting to remove any of those defects, overripe berries, leaves, cat face. After the sorting, the fruit is sized and then sent to different production lines. For the strawberry cups, it goes to a dicer where the fruit is cut into little dices. After that, it's put into a mixer with some sugar, and that's blended together. Goes into a filler. That filler feeds the cups. They get sealed. They get put into cases. And then they get palletized and into our freezer where it gets frozen and stored.